we built a spaceship because we didn't have one, and we landed on Alien World, and we don't know where we are now, and we're lost in space. So, and our spaceship broke down, so we can't go anywhere. And this alien was nice, but then he turned mean because he started to get us, and he was really mean. And this is our spaceship, but it broke down, and he turned mean because we gave him a smelling pine cone, and it smelled like ginger, and he didn't like that because he didn't like ginger, so he started getting us.
Man.
I know. Your daddy.
Oh yeah.
So we started to play this, not for real though, but this